This is the sound of a train barreling down the track. And this is that train just before it crashes. Train wrecks injure, even kill people. Congressman Steve Sutherland called Medicare a train wreck. That's right, Sutherland compared the program protecting Florida seniors to a horrific disaster. You see, Sutherland wants to privatize Medicare, ending the guaranteed health and retirement benefits we've promised our elderly. Fortunately, Gwen Graham is running for Congress, and she knows better. To Gwen, Medicare's not a privilege, it's the right of every Florida senior, since we're the ones who've paid into Medicare for years. The choice is yours. Steve Sutherland, who calls Medicare a train wreck. Or Gwen Graham, who will protect our Social Security and Medicare. Say no to Steve Sutherland, and yes to Gwen Graham, and protect our Medicare. Paid for by Ocean Champions. OceanChampions.org. Not authorized by any candidate or candidates committee. Ocean Champions is responsible for the content of this ad.